Well, I've just come out to clean the truck. As you can see, it's filthy. I got this guy on the tyre. Now I don't know whether there's anything inside the rim of the tyre that is about to pounce on. That I'm not sure of. I'm guessing there's some kind of praying mantis. We'll look at that. I'll try and keep my hand steady. He's pretty big. Something's about somewhere. He looks ready to pounce. If I didn't know better. I would say that in length, probably getting close to 5 centimetres, I would say. I don't want to put the finger too close. If I just go down a little bit, there you go. It gives you an idea. I'm right underneath him there. I'm not going to leave the finger there too long. Don't know how quick they move. Well, there you go. Never ceases to be amazed here, I don't. Always seeing something different. There you go. Okay, well, I'm going to leave it there, because I do need to clean the truck. So he's going to have to move at some point. I hope.